Alright, so this is not the video I thought I would be making today or this morning, but when life throws you lemons, you still got to try and make orange juice. I don't think that's a saying, but we're going to go with it anyway. So, late last night, I was working on some of the updated features I will go through here in a second, and went to run the script the exact same way that I usually would, and due to a Appium driver update, that is no longer a viable solution. So quick rundown of basically what has happened and what has now forced me to pivot is when you connect to the Appium server, it requires that you send a set of capabilities or desired capabilities. Before, I was able to just pass the platform name, the device name, and the automation name. Post update, they now require you to send a app capability. This creates a problem when trying to automate multiple apps, as well, I now have to pass a single app, and every time I do that, it instantiates a new session inside that app, in turn causing me to lose the ability to be able to use Appium at this stage. That's not too much of a problem, as annoying as it was at the time. After a couple hours of serious Googling, I was able to find a better solution. Not going to particularly show what that is at the moment, but after a little bit of, we'll call it reverse engineering, I was able to find a similar inspector tool, and I'm now just in the process of setting up my own server to be able to run this however I see fit. So, a couple little updates that I was working on yesterday within the main Instagram actions script here I'll quickly go through. The main section of the script that I was working on yesterday was a capture comments method inside the Instagram actions class. What we are doing here is we are opening up the Instagram feed. Before we open a comment section, we grab how many comments there are in total. The reason that I want to grab this is so that you'll see over here, we want to pick a random number of comments from that comment list to like, so that we are not liking thousands of comments, even though they may match the criteria. On top of that, we have expanded the criteria a little bit. I will go through this in another video. Just want to keep this one nice and short. And the rest of the day was essentially just spent dealing with errors and adding in error handlings. So on top of that, the only other thing that was added was a way to recover from a disruption. Disruption in this case being accidentally pushing the reply button, which was changing the screen and which was then throwing errors in our automation. Just a quick update, also to hold myself accountable, make sure I'm posting the ups and the downs. Although last night this may have seemed like quite the down and pretty, we'll say, annoying, I don't want to swear, it has actually turned out to become a bit of a blessing in disguise. The new method that I'm going to delve into is going to make automating via multiple apps considerably easier. So as this program evolves, I'll keep updating everything, but for now, that is it. I just wanted to give a quick update. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.